This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we are here at Elbilmek and we're gonna have another episode of Valdemar's garage.
Hi Bjørn, it was a long time ago, I haven't seen you.
Yeah.
And Isabel.
Yeah, it's Isabel. So Isabel is supposed to be in the kindergarten, but she had a fever last night, so that's why we are here, but she's fine now. She has no fever for the last 10 hours.
That's great.
But anyway, so this is the only way we had to do it. Gina, Valdemar's wife, is now filming, so excuse me if there's some camera stuff, but okay, we do our best.
Yeah, at the beginning I wanted to say, I think as an announcement we talk about, in 3rd of November, Davidas and Ricardas, we are going to Las Vegas to SEMA show. If you're going there and see me or other guys, so please stop by and say hi. And yeah.
Would you go, are you guys wearing some Elbilmek t-shirt?
Yeah, we will have Elbilmek t-shirt, so it will be easy to see maybe, hopefully.
Yeah, and then also, you guys are going to Las Vegas and several places in US, right?
Yeah, we land to Los Angeles. We will be there for 2 days, and then we will drive with the car to Las Vegas.
Wow! And then you're also looking for a Cybertruck rental.
Yeah, that would be great. If you own a Cybertruck and you're willing to meet us and show the car, would be really great.
Yeah, as I heard from Valdemar that you contacted someone, a company or whatever, and they wanted a ridiculous price. It's like $10,000. Huh? No.
Yeah, it was actually true. We thought we can maybe rent a Cybertruck and go to Las Vegas, but I think it's not worth the price.
But are you okay if you also get like a short ride with a short test?
Of course,
yeah.
Of course.
All right, cool.
If not, we will go to service to the Tesla shop and see the car there. Maybe we can get a test drive.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Have to try. We done in Dubai. We do it in Los Angeles.
Yeah.
All right, where can we start? Look how many cars again. So over there we have white as a post box as always. Then battery repair. Then we have a Golf that we bought and we're gonna sell. I'm not sure about what this car is doing here. It looks like a battery repair too. The handles open. Then we bought and repaired one more Tesla. It's all actually sold. It will be exported. Then Jaguar had a quite interesting fault with the battery modules actually. We found that the one battery module is not in short circuit, but it has isolation fault. So we're waiting approval from insurance company. We will fix it or not.
It's funny because every time there's a battery problem, there's always an insulation fault.
Yeah. Or deviation fault, like on your Kia. Then also with the isolation fault, we found that the battery was full of moisture. The customer said that the car was staying parked in the garden for 2.5 years.
What?
He didn't know what to do with the car.
Hey, you have to film this. What kind of park brake is this, Valdemar?
Sorry? Park brake?
Yeah.
This is a little bit updated Lithuanian style.
Lithuanian park brake.
And there too.
There too.
There we have behind you we have a Kia which is waiting for onboard battery charger. This has also became like quite common fault on Kia Soul on those older models as yours. Model 3, I think it's waiting for suspension repair. Then Renault Kangoo didn't pass EU control, so it's a lot of small faults around the car, like lights doesn't work, window is broken. There is actually also quite funny on electric car diesel leak back in the car because it has diesel Webasto.
Oh.
So electric car didn't pass the EU control because of fuel leak.
But these are customer cars just waiting to be repaired.
Yeah, I think that exactly they was not sure what they're gonna do because they think that the car is old, and I think they may be looking for possibility to invest and buy a new electric car for electricians. B1W, I think it was ordinary service. Golf, one of the Golfs was had problems with heating, so there was
PTC heater.
no,
The
it's
heat
a
pump.
heat pump, but those sensors was broken, so they was replaced. And yeah, I don't remember exactly all details what it was. Zoe has broken onboard charger, and it's a 40 Zoe, 40 kilowatt. But this is in insurance case. It came from dealer, I think. It came from Renault in Oslo. What's interesting over there? Actually, I think that P85D, the customer came all the way from Trondheim this night. This car, it has problems with the supercharger. It doesn't want to charge at supercharging stations.
Maybe you got too much idle fee.
Can be. Then Think City didn't pass the EU control because there was a too big hole in the battery pack. Like the battery is almost on the way to fall down. But the old customer give away the car for us, and I thought it's too nice to scrap it, so I found another owner for it, and it will be picked up tonight. So one more electric car saved. Outlander has isolation fault, so probably water ingress in the battery pack, and if I remember correctly, some high voltage cables is also corroded and needs replacement. Then we have a strange Kia. I'm not sure what is doing here. This one is for winter wheel change.
Yeah, and also I can tell that Valdemar, we talk about this, that I'm going on vacation to Thailand from December until mid-January, so that's 1.5 months. So Valdemar is considering selling it. So maybe you guys have any ideas, what should we try to look for?
Yeah.
What about classic Ioniq with broken motor or
Can
battery?
be.
Or what about an i3 with kaput motor? Yeah, the i3 gets that shaft that breaks. Yeah.
We have one i3 I can show you later that we bought, but we not managed to fix it yet because there was EME, electric machine. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but we lost communication with the module, and we found the used part, but it's like some complications to get it coded as because it's a used part.
Or what about e-Golf?
Yeah, e-Golf is easy. Maybe we can find it one for you.
Yeah. I want to ask the audience what you guys are interested in.
Yeah, vote. This is Ricarda's car, this is Gina's car. Then we have a new mechanic, Arthur. He also was he was pushed to buy a Tesla. He had a diesel car. I said, you cannot work in Elbilmek if you don't drive electric car. So now he has.
Well, are these, do they belong to Elbilmek or?
No, it's his private.
Oh, okay.
Then e-tron, I think we replaced the rear drive unit on this one because the old one was completely broken.
And do they have induction motor?
Yes.
Yeah. And they already start failing now, more and more.
Yeah, it's already 2 years ago they started to fail, or even more. So it's not.
But don't they have warranty anymore?
I think that the warranty is was it 150,000 if I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
If I'm not mistaken, but for sure if they have warranty, so they go to Möller. They don't come here. Mitsubishi, I don't know why it's here. Probably ordinary service, and i3 is also ordinary service. This e-Golf we got it from outlet, and it has problems with the also
Let me guess, an isolation fault.
no värmepumpe.
Oh, heat pump.
Heat pump. Yeah, it
Oh,
doesn't heat.
seems to be common fault in e-Golf.
Yeah, it is.
What about this classic Ioniq then?
Classic Ioniq has probably broken motor inverter. Yeah, it gets a pre-charge fault. So we're gonna look at it a little bit later. I'm not sure about this white i3, what it's waiting for. But this one, this white is ours. We bought it, as I told you before, it doesn't start and it has a broken motor inverter, in other words. This is customer car. I think it's after repair. I think the battery was repaired on this one. Why Tesla? I cannot remember. Mercedes had a broken drive unit. It's already refurbished and ready to be delivered back to the customer. Golf, sorry, I cannot remember.
You guys have so many cars now.
This is our loaner, and this is David is driving this car.
Wow. So half of these are your own cars and half of these are customer cars then? Just sitting here waiting?
No, I think maybe 30% or something, it's or less even our cars, and the rest is a customer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, now we're inside, and what is going on over here then?
Over here, what's new? We have a new equipment, what's called the lifter from Vjørn, and we have a new wheel alignment equipment from Hunter. So far we are not super excited, we are not super happy with the equipment, but maybe we just need to get used to it. We had some problems with the installation and some delays and blah blah, so yeah, but anyway. Mercedes, it's, Arthur said that it's just for a wheel change, nothing how to say, exciting. This car has problems with the handles.
Oh, common
left
problem.
and right side, right Mantas. Fiat was here for EU control, suspension repair, and I see that there is something more, small things. Yeah, cool. Look, the owner has installed newer lights, updated. Then this Golf is quite interesting because it came from Möller with a broken charging port, like it was isolation fault. We all agreed on the diagnostic and replaced the port, and the car still not charging, and we're not having communication with the onboard battery charger. So check the wiring, replace the onboard charger just to check. Still no luck. So still exciting to find out what's problem with it. Here we have a veteran car.
Wow.
Think City. Yes, ABS problem. The smart guy is trying to find out what's the problem, or the sensor on the ABS ring. Here, car came from Stavanger as isolation fault in the battery pack. And there is one more Jaguar battery which is outside the what is called the blue one. This is his battery. And also had this one, the battery that I told with isolation in the battery module. So yeah. What else? Yeah.
Is that
battery from Model S? Yeah, but it is nothing more, not exciting anymore. Everybody knows how it looks.
Okay. Well, I think today we can just skip what's going on upstairs. There's not much there, right?
Yeah, not much going on there.
I noticed that there are a lot more cars outside this time versus before. Yeah.
Yeah, that's time of year. It's a special time. I don't know. Sometimes it's too many. Sometimes it's akkurat passer, some Norwegian says.
Well, this is interesting as usual, and you see that Elbilmek, they're always in like different challenges. Yeah, I would say. motors, batteries, yeah, onboard chargers, and heat
Yeah.
pumps and stuff.
Yeah, almost every time is something new, so that's good. That's interesting.
All right, but I think that's it for this time. So, is there anything else you want to add?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah, okay. And then thank you for watching and talk to you later.